Today I am going to discuss something regarding extraneous roots. Now I have written an equation which is a quadratic equation. Now look, what are the kind of mistakes that we can make while solving this? Suppose let x not equal to 0, then we can divide this equation both sides by x. What will happen? So we are getting x plus 1 upon x equal to 0. Now this is our original equation. ये हमारा ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन है. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन सब्सटीट्यूट इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1 फ्रॉम 1 इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1 आई एम गोइंग टू सब्सटीट्यूट माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस came from 1. Now finally we are getting x raised to the power cube equals to 1. This implies x equals to 1. Now look, one of the values which we are getting as a solution is 1. Now substitute this value in the original equation. 1 square plus 1 equal to 0 means we are getting 3 equal to 0, which is absurd. So what we got is 3 equals to 0. I put x equal to 1 in the original equation and we are getting 3 equals to 0, which is absurd, meaningless. We can call it meaningless. So finally where is the fault? So now I am going to, if you can think for a while, think. So what to do next and where is the mistake? Now solve the original equation just by applying simple quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We are getting minus 1 plus minus root 3. This is iota, iota upon 2. So these are the two equations, and as we know, किसी भी इक्वेशन की जितनी डिग्री होगी उतने ही उसके सॉल्यूशंस, उतने ही रूट्स होते हैं. Since we have the degree of this equation is 2 and therefore we are getting 2 solutions. But what about x equal to 1? So x cube equals to 1. So x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Now factorize it. It is in the form a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. Now here we are getting 3 roots, out of which 1 is real and 2 is unreal or complex or imaginary in nature, we can call it. Now it is very much consistent with this equation, since the degree of this equation is 3 and therefore at most we can have 3 roots and we are getting 3 roots. But our initial equation was a quadratic equation in which both the roots were unreal, and when we substituted minus x square in place of x plus 1, there we added one extra root to this equation, and therefore we were getting results like 3 equals to 0, and therefore we were getting results like 3 equals to 0, which is absurd in nature, which has no meaningless. Here I end the video. Please subscribe, like and share.